If you want to see how I turned all these ingredients into this, please continue watching. This is a Malva pudding.
You win. Look up to the sky. Do you see the light?
I'm Wango and welcome back here to another video. Today we are making Malva pudding and I've incorporated it into a vlog. So basically what I'm trying to do here is just to see if you guys are interested in basic recipes that you would, maybe want to try one day in your kitchen, or probably maybe start a business with these recipes. So if you leave me a heart in the comment section, then I'll know that you guys are interested in more videos like this. Then I can make like detailed videos, specifically recipes on how to make this and that. Anyhow, all the ingredients will be listed in the description below. This is the basic, easiest Malva that you can start with. It doesn't need an electric beater. All you need is your whisk, and that's it. You're good to go. So we started with sugar, apricot jam, butter, and we mixed all of that up, and then putting in eggs one by one. Yeah, so it only needs 2 eggs. Yeah, like I said, you will see all the ingredients and everything in the description. Right, to that we are adding some vanilla, and I'm using cake flour, 1.5, 1 cup and a half, and then also baking powder. It's good that you sift your flour just so that everything is smooth, there's no lumps of any sort. Then of course I added a pinch of salt. Yeah, so let's talk, guys. How have you been? How are you? I'm just trying to be as consistent as possible on this channel, so I'd love to be posting either Mondays or Tuesdays, Thursdays and Sundays. So let me know, guys, what would you like to see on this channel? I'm a mom. if this is not your first time here, I'm a mom. I'm a stay-at-home mom. I'm a wife. I run my small business that is seasonal. But I love to hear from you guys, and I also love cooking. I also make gardening videos that are yet to come. Winter is over, so I do not need to be in the house anymore. I will have to be outside. So we're gonna start a new garden, guys, with you guys coming up soon. I can't wait to share with you guys all that. Yeah, so do let me know what you'd like to see in the comment section. And like I said at the beginning of this video, I just want to see if you guys would be interested in this kind of videos, recipes, on how to bake, because I know a lot of us struggle to bake. Like in my case, I actually learned to bake from YouTube. I don't know if I'll find that picture, but I'll show you a picture of how the first muffins that I've ever made. They were so solid, like hard, strong, rock solid. So that's what I'm trying to avoid. So it took me a while. It took me time to see, sometimes I'll just try to bake reading recipes, but I didn't understand what the recipes were telling me. Because I'm a visual person, I like learning, with visuals. So after I realized that I was, struggling to learn how to do these things, that's when I moved to YouTube. I watched tutorials here and there, but sometimes most of these tutorials were American tutorials, so their ingredients is not our ingredients. So 99% when they'll give their ingredients, I'll be so confused. Not entirely confused, but some of the ingredients I felt like maybe we don't have them here in Africa. Funny enough. Or maybe I just thought maybe the brands that they were using, basically it's just the brands. That's just the difference. When they say granola sugar, then they say this and that. It's kind of intimidating. So I was easily intimidated by that. Yeah, anyhow, so now we move on to the, I don't know how to call that, but that is the syrup that we're gonna put on our malva. So the first thing that you have to do is to make sure that you put this whole thing in the on the malva immediately when it comes out from the oven. And the biggest mistake that I did here, I used cream. So when you're using cream, I think you have to double the cream quantity, because usually I do it with milk, and with milk is usually a lot. But I feel like with the cream is thick, so it didn't do a very good job. But anywho, yeah, the recipe in the description will have the milk ingredient instead of cream, just so that everybody also can be able to afford milk. Then cream can be a little bit expensive. Yeah, so this was just the first time trying out the cream, hence it came out like that. Yeah, and excuse me, sorry. And one thing that I forgot to show you, at some point I added water after all the ingredients were boiling in that pot. It's just butter, sugar, vanilla, and butter when everything else is boiled. So you will notice now here that the liquid, or what you call, the name is gone, man. What you put at the bottom, what we just spread on top, they didn't get to the bottom as much as I wanted it to be. And I'm sorry for that angle that you can't see properly, but well, that's how it looks like. And I must confess, malva is my go-to dessert any given time, any given moment. So I hope you try it. Let me know, guys, in the comment section. If you can't comment, if you're too shy to comment, just leave a rose. That will indicate to me that you want to see recipe videos. Anyhow, so we are going out for errands. Yeah, putting on my Vans. I don't know, I kind of shy to do this outfit of the day thing, because yeah, it's not like I have much to share. Yeah, but anyhow, we are going out. I have to go and get my document certified. Yeah, so this is what I got myself for this one. Yeah, 2 very strong smelling perfumes. And then eventually later on in the day, when we came back after taking a shower, I went ahead and started ironing my baby's clothes, just so that we can have, some proper things to wear when we go out there.
I got this passion, and it's burning deep inside of me. And this time, no, not gonna settle for anything less. Craving a life that I've never known. And now is the time to find the love that I've always been looking for. I guess I'm just so
lately I've been having problems, with my battery. Like every time it was just dying. But then we realized, my husband, the mechanic, realized that it was time we bought a new battery, because the last time we bought a new battery was like 2019 or 2020. This is 2025. So it was really time to get a new battery. So he just surprised me, because lately my car has been giving me problems. I have to call people to come and jump me whenever I want to go out. So out of the blue, homeboy just came with a new battery, and yeah, he is installing it with his little helper, his assistant mechanic. Oh, what will I do without this man, guys? Anyhow, thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Let me know if you enjoyed it and which part of the video did you like the most. Yeah, sending you love from Namibia. Kindly share, subscribe, and like that button. We are on our road, guys, to 100 subscribers, and I'm really grateful for you guys that have subscribed to this channel. We are now at 570. The other day we were at 570 with someone. Yeah, so yeah, I'm really grateful, guys. Thank you for sticking around. Thank you for staying. Thank you for engaging. And don't forget, guys, Thursday we are giving I'm going to announce the winner for the giveaway that I announced last week, the vlog where I share with you the new dining table that we added to our new home. So if you haven't watched that video, kindly go and check that video. Then you might stand a chance to win my giveaway, the very first giveaway on this channel. So I'll see you guys later, and I'm happy the car is running, everything is working. Yeah, see you guys in my next one. Take care. Thank you, Uma.